whiteness and redness and whiteness. Why is Jordan staring at the cable of my hat? Audience? So we're going back to school at August 3. Hope you watched the milk. I'm worried about the milk. It's so weird in the car. The way the car is so boring. Right? So what? Hope you watch Wild Jump. That was a really cool video. Hope you watch Roblox Part 1. It's really cool. Man, I'm so bored today. Man. So we're gonna go IKEA. And sorry, I burped. Sorry. So here's my hat and cable doing here. So my bus is getting ready for it. I'm sorry for checking that. So audience, hope you watch the milk. I'm worried about the milk. So maybe I put a sponsor video. Or maybe not a sponsor video. This is it. It sucks! Just kidding. Okay, let me put this stupid face. Okay. I am done. I hate this stupid thing. Yeah, just dang it. I can't go. So we're going to IKEA. Hope you watch the milk. I'm worried about the freaking milk. I'm going to watch. I don't know if that's how you watch. Hope you watch Wild Jump or Why Jerry Harry. You don't need to see that. It was just one joke for fun. So fun. Why is so fun? Just kidding. So we're playing like it's this thing, like Cece's thing. What are my feet doing here? Stupid feet. So we're going like sponsor video on Cece's channel. So if you watch Cece goes out, you don't need to see that. Okay, I think it was Why Jerry Harry. Okay, no, you didn't see it. I thought it was Wild Jump or the milk. And hope you watch. I just don't know. Hope maybe it's because Dad's here. I don't want to do it. Free talk. So I'm going back out of my way. So I'm going back to MOA. I'm so psyched to go back on my way. It's so freaking awesome back on my way. Okay, so I don't fit in here in this car. Wait, what's my arm doing? What? My arm? So weird. I thought I made a mistake. Okay, one more. What's my arm doing here? Ow! So this is my hat over here. Whoa, Kitty, Mom's getting ready over this window over here. Oh my god. So thanks for watching. Go to watch next one with your face by shoot. Be sub to subscribe and darkness and redness and whiteness.